Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is a tutorial on how to book OCEANJET tickets by just clicking Facebook. So first things guys is open the Facebook app and then you search OCEANJET Facebook page. Then click nyo lang guys yung page and then once na na-redirect na kayo sa page, may link doon na ipapakita. It is their main link and then once you click it, lalabas na doon yung online booking site nila. So, pwede na kayo mag-book ng sarili yung tickets. Pwede kayong pumili between round trip or one way and then pili kayo ng inyong destination. So, sa akin, Cebu to Bohol yung ticket ko and then choose your date of adventure or date of travel. Tapos kung ilan kayo, and then yun, lalabas na guys yung available tickets. So since Cebu Tagbilaran yon, marami siyang schedule and then pwede kayong pumili ng kung anong class yung gusto nyo. So pinakamura is business class or open air. So pag tourist class mas mahal. So depende na din yun guys sa budget nyo and sa gusto nyong comfortability. So once na makapili na kayo ng schedule nyo guys, just click select and then click proceed and then lalabas na dun, mag-appear doon, manghingi sila ng passenger details. So lagyan nyo na guys yung details nyo. Tapos hingan ka din nila ng main contact details in case of emergency lang naman. Tapos after yun guys, just click proceed. So yun na nga, lalabas yung summary ng ticket nyo guys. Tapos click nyo lang yung proceed. Tapos, ayan na guys, lalabas na yung payment options nyo. Pwedeng e-wallets, pwedeng debit card. Tapos click lang proceed. So yung pinili ko yung e-wallet and then pinili ko din GCash. So i-input nyo lang yung GCash details nyo guys. Then click next and then lalabas, magte-text sa inyo ng 6-digit authentication code and then ilagay nyo lang yun guys. Then next and then lagay nyo lang yung 4-digit pin nyo and then there you have it. Just click pay. And then, i-redirect lang kayo sa merchant guys. Just wait lang. And there you have it guys. Bayad na kayo sa inyong OCEANJET ticket. So, magsisend sila ng itinerary or ng ticket details nyo sa inyong email. So, lagyan nyo ng email nyo. And doon nila isasend yung ticket nyo. And yun yung pwede nyong i-print. And then ipapakita nyo sa ticketing counter or sa check-in counter ng OCEANJET sa pier na inyong pupunta. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa aking mga videos. See you next time guys. Goodbye.